Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will take a look at one of most iconic old school hatchbacks. It is Volkswagen Golf, mk2 GTI, with G60 engine, and wide bumpers, made in 1/43 scale, by Norev. Full-scale car was introduced in 1990, featuring late Golf Mark II features, such as wide plastic bumpers. It was made until 1992, the year when production of all Mark II Golfs ended. G60 engines were used in other Volkswagen models, and they are very demanded by enthusiasts, even in bad condition. Light bodywork, weight and powerful engine, gives very good performance. But high quality of 80s Volkswagens, guarantees reliability. From the first look, this model looks astonishing. Norev has made superb job and created highly detailed VW Golf Mark II model for a low price. Plastic tires may be a downside, but it's a good reference to German Skabak-made models. Also, wheels are free from aging problems, where rubber tire melts plastic wheel. Here we go, the best 1/43 scale VW Golf Mark II model offer on the market today. You can choose your one from variety of colors. As it's widely accessible and costs reasonable money, it's great base for different conversions. Also, it could be used as donor for upgrading old Skabak-made 5-door Golfs, what, probably, I will do in future. Hope that you liked my video. Write in comments what color Norev G60 you have in your collection.